Mark, kung mag-share ng opinion, hindi ikaw yung original author, nag-share ka lang, tapos ang caption mo, emoji na tawang-tawa ka.
Okay.
Liable ka ba sa unlawful publication?
Iyon ang pagkakaiba kasi may Supreme Court decision ang cyber libel but wala pang Supreme Court decision ang unlawful publication. Ang nakalagay po sa Supreme Court about libel, cyber libel, pag nag-like ka lang, nag-share ka lang sa isang author, hindi ka mademanda ng cyber libel because in cyber libel, you must be the original author. So it means kung nag-like ka, nag-emoji ka, smiley face, nagagalit or gano'n, like, gano'n, so or sineshare mo yung statement ng isang tao na kahit libelous yan, hindi ka maging libel. Bakit? You are not the original author. In cyber libel, you must be the original author. Unlike in unlawful publication, wala pang definition or klarong explanation ang batas dyan. So, possibility, you can be liable for sharing or reposting as long as you have knowledge na sinungaling yan, hindi totoo yan, but pinost mo pa rin, sinishare mo pa rin, and or your reckless disregard of the truth, may malicious pag-share mo, and alam mo na hindi totoo, and yung pag-share na yan endangers the public order or yung tinatawag na damage the interest of the state. So possible yan na you can be criminally liable. There's only a possibility. Hindi pa yan klaro. Kasi walang Supreme Court decision about sharing or reposting in relation to unlawful publication. Ang Supreme Court decision, it refers only to cyber libel. In cyber libel, very clear, nag-like ka, nag-share ka, nag-repost ka, as long as you are not the original author, you cannot be criminally liable because sharing, liking, reposting is part of your freedom of press and freedom of expression. But kung nag-comment ka na mga hindi magandang comment, pwede ka mademanda ng cyber libel kasi you are already the original author pag nag-comment ka. But in unlawful publication, wala pang ganong definition. So there's a possibility na maging liable ka if you have knowledge. You have knowledge or you have may tinatawag na reckless disregard of the truth. Tapos you endangers public order. Yan, pwede ka posibleng maging liable ng unlawful publication.